Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make professional logo on Canva. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and open canva.com. To sign into canva.com. So we have here pro account. Pro account is used for professional level, and pro account is on it. Canva will charge you on pro account. So the how you can make logo on it, that first of all click on create a design. Okay, then click on search bar and write logo and click on there. The standard size logo is 500 to 500 pixels. So I'm gonna see we're gonna see about the Instagram logo sizes. Instagram logo sizes 320 to 320 pixels. So we're gonna check all the social media size logo sizes. So Facebook need only 400 pixels width and 150 pixels tall. YouTube logo, YouTube YouTube logo size is 800 to 800 pixels. Then there is Twitter also have 400 to 400 pixels. We're gonna check to SoundCloud logo size. SoundCloud logo size is 24 to 80 pixels to 520 pixels. So we're gonna check now LinkedIn logo size. LinkedIn logo size is 400 pixels. So we're gonna make it 400 to 400 pixels. If you want to customize, click on there here and write 500 to 500 pixels. If you want to change the centimeter, millimeter and inches, you can also change it. But in graphic designing for Canva usually people made it on pixels, so we have create new and then close this tab. Here we see untitled design. If you wanna name it, you will name it. So we're gonna name it to logo 2023. Okay, now we're gonna made a logo from our gym making site. So if you have a niche on gym making, so click on search bar and write gym. Now we have gym logo making, so we're gonna scroll down a little bit. So click on that one. This is already made it a gym fitness logo. We're gonna change some of design, like change 2022 3 and fitness center handle. We can change this code into rocks. No, rocks not. We change into golds. Okay, fitness center, fitness goals. And then we're gonna change some color, like we're gonna change the red color into golden color. No, back to the red color, but it will be little bit dark like this. And we're gonna change zoom, we're gonna zoom in a little bit and click on the and change this one. So, and now we're gonna change the skin color also. We're gonna change the skin color into dark brown, or this color, this color is attractive. And also no, just good. And also change the into white, and this also into white. So this is our first logo. We're gonna make a second logo. Second logo we made on education, Islamic education. So Islamic education logo will be this one, Islamic Center since 2003, and Islamic Center. We're gonna change into Academy. Islamic Academy. What is Academy? CADEMY. DEMY. Okay, color is better. We're gonna change the background color into white. It is already white. So there is the first logo, there is the second logo. Now we see some more logo from the Canva. I like this one. This is a beautiful logo for a Hajj and Umrah. So this is how you can make professional logo on Canva. Hope you like this video. Make sure like, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.